Are you happy? I am Ephthemios, the communicator of the four missing books of Egonect. Egonect, book 2 of 4, The Last Teardrop. Egonect is also available at Amazon in paperback, audio, and ebooks. Whisper 100198. Once I will be able to drip at least one drop of fear into their arrogant soul, as those parasites of our imagination do not have a heart and they cannot feel our feelings. And so these powers have been constantly terrorizing us without mercy. I will then observe attentively and passionately their reaction towards us, yes, the human of planet Earth. Whisper 1099. How the poor fictions of our imagination to understand, feel, know, taste, and live this very grief that they cause to their victims, usually unconsciously. And so how can we seek revenge against these celestial powers who cannot understand at all how we are feeling as earthlings, where they abuse and torturing us, where they're going to realize that we are the only visible and invisible reality everywhere, and also that we are the foundation of all life. And as parasites, they can sustain their self only at our expense and through our existence. Whisper 1200. When something has never felt the feeling of threat or fear, when an entity has never suffered or ever felt any kind of pain, when a fake life has not lived within terrible grief and has never been touched by any tragic adversity, and everything is at its disposal, and it arrives to the point where it is a prisoner in the easy, monotonous, and joyless stage of its peculiar existence, because everything out there is ready and made to serve it, to please it, and dance to its thoughts waves just to satisfy it, then how can this something, anything, find the mental wisdom to behave with affection, goodness, compassion, and justice, and especially with generosity and mercy towards an entity, the earthling, that is considered by it to be just its servant and experiment? Whisper 1200. Since it's one of us, since it's one of our imaginable powers, is lacking real joy and happiness, and is deprived of beautiful feelings and thoughts that often that soften and enrich our soul, then how can any of these powers mix and coexist with the human entity, which is the only sensible, full of emotions, colorful, alive, unique variety of feelings in real life? We are each other's memory, Egonect.